All righty. So
We're going to do our test first?
Yeah.
yes, we'll do the test first. We'll do the test first. So does everybody have that open?
Yeah, I got it open, but I didn't go in ahead, so I'm just quickly downloading the
that's okay.
files.
And I'm opening at this moment.
Okay.
Why don't you guys go ahead with question 1 and 2?
Yeah, so I just downloaded the Old Faithful and Math Self-Efficacy.
Okay.
Okay.
So question 3, the correlation coefficient is used to quantify. And I have the direction and strength of the linear relationship.
Direction. Yes, that's what I have.
Okay.
Direction. The first one. No, hold on.
No, the third one.
The third one.
Yep.
Strength and direction and strength of the linear relationship. The third one.
Right.
Okay, that's what I have too.
If the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases,
if the correlation coefficient is negative, variable increases. I had this written down.
It's a weird question. I think I put the other variable tends to decrease. So if one increases, the other one decreases, and vice versa.
When it's negative.
Yeah, you got to think about it like slope of a line. Because you're looking at the relationship of the change of y compared to the change of x variable. So it's the same idea.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm late.
Oh,
hey Nick.
We just started.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, I had to take my nephew to urgent care. So.
Have you been into the quiz yet, Nick?
No, I haven't yet. I'm just playing.
Okay.
Sister Lemon, that's a great picture of you and your family.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. My daughter is now pregnant with number 3, and that little girl, she is spicy. She's just Korean. Oh man.
So it was a couple years ago.
But woohoo, she is spicy, that one.
Hey, am I the only one that cannot hear Sister Lemon very well? She's about a 2 or a 3.
No, I can. Can you turn the volume up on your computer?
Well, you guys are coming in fine, but not Sister Lemon. I can kind of hear her a little bit.
Okay.
I'm on a cell phone right now, but I will transfer over to a computer in about 3 minutes. And
then
hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully you can hear me better then.
Yes, I will suffer for 3. I'll give you 7 minutes.
Okay, good. I appreciate that because I'm just going to take a plus minus on that 3 minutes.
Right. So, are you all set, Nick?
Yeah. What question are we on right now?
Well, I mean, we're only on like question 4. So let's go. We'll go back to question 3.
Right.
So the correlation coefficient is used to quantify. And we all chose the third one, the direction and strength of the linear relationship.
Okay.
And then if the correlation coefficient is negative, one variable increases, and we chose the other variable tends to decrease.
Decrease, yeah.
Okay. So now we're on question 5.
Okay.
Effective
outlier. And just as an FYI,
go ahead.
I was going to say, just as an FYI, when you've got a negative correlation, I was going to say, you just have to recognize that the X and the Y are going in different directions. So like you said, one increases, the other decreases. If you have a positive correlation coefficient, that means that both are heading in the same direction. So they're each both increasing or they're each both decreasing, but they head in the same direction. So that's kind of something to note too.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you. The effective outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant. I have that's false.
That's what I have.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah. Because he talked about that in the video. He actually said keep an eye on that because it will skew your coefficient. So then the Old Faithful. So we need to do the Old Faithful data in the QI
P. On the linear regression, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Yep.
My old faithful.
I'm telling you, I'm grateful every day for Excel. That's for sure.
What did they do before Excel? Slide rules or what?
I don't know.
Seriously.
I'm not that hungry, so you can eat.
I should have included Excel in my prayer. I really should have. Seriously.
I don't know.
You know, Joan, I took a statistics class 30 years ago before Excel, or well, before we did it in Excel. And I do recall it being obnoxiously difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took it before they even had graphing calculators, and it was very
Oh my goodness. Yeah, slide rules for sure. Holy moly, this is a lot of data.
Yeah, I've seen more. I've seen more data.
I'm sure you have.
Oh my goodness, how far down does it go? Okay, goes down to 273 people.
It goes down to what you said?
273.
That's
No, I have one.
To my
Oh, I might be in a different one now.
So I'm gonna
Yeah, it's, yeah,
that sounds
270.
good, Mr. Lemon.
Yeah, there's
All right, I will
272
in a
numbers.
second.
Yeah, okay. Why did it pull both columns at the same time? I don't know.
Yeah, because you can't, because there's a column in between. I made that mistake once too.
Oh, okay. All right, so now I've got my data.
Okay.
All right. So the correlation coefficient.
I got 0.9.
901.
Yep, that's what I got.
0.901.
9001, yeah.
Okay.
Were you talking about Old Faithful?
Yes.
Yep. So it's whatever the R is, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
And I typed in the words correlation coefficient in tiny right above the R. I'm like,
So Ed, did you not get that?
No, yeah, you know what I did when I did this earlier? This is the data for the next set of questions.
Okay.
oh, gotcha.
Yeah, go ahead. I have it actually 0.901.
Okay, gotcha.
So what is the direction of what is the direction and strength between the weight and the duration?
So,
So
we're
it's-
looking at the QQ
The scatter plot. You're
Scatter
looking at the
plot,
scatter
sorry.
plot.
I
Scatter plot.
Positive.
positive and strong, isn't it?
I did. I didn't
Yep.
say it was weak because there is kind of a line kind of going up the middle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I put positive and strong.
Okay.
All right.
Me too.
What is the direction and strength?
Match the scatter plot.
That's just scatter plot with the correlation coefficient. So, I have 0.6. I say is number 6.
Okay, hold on.
Negative. Yeah. Do you want to start with do R equals -1?
Yeah.
I have that as 4.
Oh, because I don't have. Okay. Or -1 is 4. Yes.
And then R equals -0.6. I have a 6.
Okay.
And then 0.95 equals 2. And then -0.95 I have as 5. And then for 0 I have 3. And then 1 I have 1.
Yeah, okay.
Our numbers are different, but I think the order on the test is different.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah,
What?
because I had a -1, the -1 first, then 0.95, then 0, then 1, then -0.95, then -0.6.
Okay.
That is,
Yeah. No.
that is difficult to do when you're doing a group quiz.
Yeah, interesting that it's different for each of us.
Yeah, that's weird.
So let me just double check on mine. I apologize. So these are going to be jumbled numbers for you.
Go ahead.
0.95 is the second diagram.
Yeah.
Negative 0.6 is the sixth diagram.
Yes.
0 is the third diagram. Negative 1 is the fourth diagram.
Yes.
Negative 0.95 is the fifth diagram, and 1 is the first diagram.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, so now now I have to do the math self-efficacy.
Yeah. It's coming up for me now.
I'll get it later. I'll get it later.
Okay. So is this the B and the C column then?
I'm sorry?
Are we using the B and the C column then? Let's see here.
I put mine in the trash, but I still have mine up, and the first number I have is 50.
Yeah,
and the next to it is 4.34.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not bringing over the gender. It doesn't matter.
All right. I'm pulling it.
You're copying down B and C.
Okay.
Where'd you choose?
Got it. Okay. So I've got my data. Number 9. Input the correlation coefficient, which is negative 0.904.
No.
I got
did you delete all the ones below the ones you just inputted?
Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Good choice. Good. Oh, there we go.
So from 143 down has to be deleted.
Yeah. Okay.
Gets you every time.
Yes. You know what? I'm kind of glad I did it now, so I'll remember for the test. You know? Like whenever you're in training or something, I like to make all my mistakes so they can tell me how to fix them when I'm all by myself. Okay, so 0.728.
Yep.
Okay.
And then what's the direction and strength?
I put positive and strong still.
I did too, because I still feel like there's enough, it's enough in a cluster, or it's not all over the place. You can kind of see like a line going up the middle. And I remember in Sister Lemon's video, you know, she was actually talking about that.
Well, and I have a question. If we didn't have the scatter plot to look at, could you still say from the numbers that it was positive and strong? For instance, because some of them on the homework, you know, when I was saying I would say that it was weak, but then they told me it was moderate. And so I'm thinking, well, if I'm looking at it, I'm not sure. Can I double check myself by the numbers? And if so, what would I be looking for? And maybe I'm making it too complicated. I was just mostly curious.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
I recall that if it's 0.75 and above, it's definitively strong. If it's 0.45 to about 0.75, it's somewhere in the conceptual range of moderate, and below 0.45, it's conceptually weak. Does that sound about right? Did I read that correctly?
And
Yeah. Can you hear me?
yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sister Lemon, we could hear you for a minute, but then.
You know, the rule of thumb is it has some band.
Oh, she's cutting in and out. I think.
Yeah, you're
am I
breaking up.
cutting in and out? Still cutting in and out?
Yeah, a little bit.
I can hear you better that time at least.
Maybe I can chat here.
That's
I'll
better.
do Urban's
Maybe.
video. Will it get better if I turn off my video? I don't cut out as much.
Yeah,
Yeah, probably.
clearly, yeah.
Yeah.
Not necessarily. We used to fall kind of.
Oh,
And that's what we really like. Strong. And like
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. You're still
Started the
you're
same
still
week.
coming in and out.
Last couple days.
Man, 2018, you think we'd have this figured out? Doc Brown and Marty McFly would be very disappointed.
Should we try a submission and see what happens?
I think you'll be pleasantly happy.
Oh, you already?
I just did it, actually.
So that last one was positive and strong, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, hallelujah.
Yay.
Okay, that's good to see.
Right. How's
Oh, there we go.
there you go, typing.
It's not working. Do you want to call me and I'll put it on speakerphone? So she's
She just
typing
wrote
it in.
something
So
in the chat window. I don't know if you guys saw that.
Oh, I gotta go back over where the video is.
That's good to know.
Did you-
One of these
Sorry.
helpful.
I love the sound of it.
Strong 0.60 to 0.85.
Why do we always use Google? Why do we always use Google Hangouts? Why don't we use Zoom? I feel like I would never have issues on Zoom.
I agree. I like Zoom.
Yeah, Zoom's.
Yeah, I just learned about Zoom this semester in one of
Oh,
my
really?
and I really liked it.
Yeah, it's great. I never have issues with it.
Yeah, I actually did like a whole presentation using Zoom.
Where's it going?
I don't have a, I've never done Zoom, but you could,
BYU has a
Zoom's a great option, she says.
BYU has its own account, so you have Zoom with BYU Idaho.
So is she
I can
sending a Zoom link?
set one up, Sister Lemon, or if you want to send us one. I'm not sure if you can hear us.
She can hear us. We're just figuring out who's sending the Zoom link.
Yeah, I can do a meeting.
Okay, James is going to.
okay. And James, she's lemonnen@byui.edu.
Okay. Copy invitation.
Are you just going to post it in the chat?
Yeah,
Okay.
I just posted it there, but I'll also send you guys the link too, just in case. I'll
So
send it to everyone here.
this SIP thing there, is that what we click on?
Yeah, I sent you an email too, if that's easier.
All right. So I'm going to stop this broadcast then and we're going to
Okay.
get out of here.
Sounds good.
Okay.